Hello, it's Mike from Vitreus Art. I'd like to introduce you to our new Fused Glass Flower Bouquet workshop. You're going to be making 3 flowers out of fused glass, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know. We'll teach you how to cut the shape in clear fusible glass. We're going to teach you all about the frits and the beads and the enamel pens and all of the fusible materials you can use to make your flowers. You make 3. And the largest one is about 12 centimeters across, so they're really nice shapes, that really nice size as well. And you get to cut the pieces of glass, you get to decorate each of them, your choice of colors, and I'll show you how to make the little molds that we're going to use to give your flowers the slightly wavy shape there, makes them a lot more interesting. All of that we will teach you, and then they go in the kiln, and when they've been fired we're going to glue them onto these copper stems, and you can either display these in a vase or they can go outside, so they're like flower stakes. So it's entirely up to you how you display them, and if you attend the afternoon session and there's time, you'll have the option of making an extra one. So you make 3 anyway as standard. That's all included in the price, and then there'll be an opportunity to make an extra one if you do okay on time. And I'd really like it if people can take us up on that offer, because I think the more the merrier really on the flowers. The more you make, the more fun we'll have. So, Fused Glass Flower Bouquet, make 3, your own design, and you do everything. I'll teach you everything you need to know, and I ask you to remember our motto: you could make that. Love to see you on the workshop. Bye for now.